Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a minimal kit, your phone with Find My, a charger, and a flashlight. First, make sure you understand the earbuds are dead. This disables sound and Bluetooth, so tracking is limited. Next, open Find My and select the Airpods item to see the last known location. Note the timestamp. While you're headed to that spot, scan the area visually and systematically. Section the space into grid-like zones so you don't overlook obvious hiding places. Once at the last known location, you shift into a methodical search pattern. Divide the space into sections and sweep each one completely before moving on. Look low and hidden, between couch cushions, under chairs, inside jackets, and inside bags. Make sure to check high-contrast spots with a flashlight angled low. The white stems catch light and reveal edges. If there's a metal detector app or small magnet tool, try them on fabric and cushions. Dead AirPods are still physical, so tactile checks matter. You finish by searching less obvious spots: laundry baskets, trash under car seats, and behind appliances. Then retrace your recent route slowly. Once found, charge them immediately to confirm functionality. If you can't find them, mark the last known location in Find My and enable Lost Mode or notify family devices to help. If that fails, reset Find My data, double-check other linked accounts, and revisit high-probability areas, sometimes a second. Slower sweep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.